your marriage, the hand that closed cannot be seen. To young people, if you have found a good partner, a good boyfriend, let me define what is a good boyfriend. A good boyfriend is that one who, when he comes to pick you up, young people, he will start by saying, let us pray before we leave. Do we still have those boyfriends? Let us pray. Before he starts the car, let us pray. And then when you ask him, what are we doing today? I want us to go through the lesson study. What can happen after the lesson study? Nothing. If you have found a good boyfriend who is very good from the Lord, may the Lord shut you in. Even other suitors, when they are trying, you just respond.